that? That thing opened right up. Isn't that nice? Don't you wish yours would do that again? Well, it can. Just replace those lift supports. I'll show you how. On some, they're going to actually screw in, like this one. It takes a T40, that's a torque 40 on both ends. Others will just have a clip that comes across here. You use a flathead screwdriver, push it inside and pop it off. That's to get it off, to remove it, and then to install it, because it has the clip, you can actually just push it on and it'll go on and the clip will close. So on the ones that screw in, you just have to remove the screws. I suggest starting with the most difficult. That way, if you have an issue getting it off, you can stop and not have to put the other end back on. But they're not that difficult. And be sure to have someone holding the lift. So now we're going to move to the top. Same thing. There. And putting them on. Start with the harder one to get to, and make sure you use safety. Don't have have someone holding that lift up. Be sure that you get the correct lift supports for your vehicle. For instance, on this Eclipse, there's a couple different ones based upon whether it has the rear spoiler and the windshield wiper or windshield. It has the window wiper and or spoiler. It has a stronger lift support for those than if it's one that doesn't have that. If you do have the screw type, when going to the second one, make sure you line it up, because this, nope, not a chance. I cannot push that in. So lift it up good and high enough to line it up. There it goes. Don't force it, just let it line up. And then get it good and snug. Once it's been used a couple times, I'll come back and check it again. Just make sure it's not working itself loose. But that's all there is to it. Look, Mom, no hands. Alright, hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.